why the hot symbol won't go away, and how to fix it if it's stuck. If the hot icon stays lit on your Ninja Foodi Air Fry Oven long after cooking, or it shows up when the oven is cold, here's what's normal and what to do if it isn't. Step 1. Understand the normal behavior. That icon means the oven's internal parts are still above a safe handling temperature. After a long cook, it can take 15 to 30 minutes to cool enough for the symbol to turn off, especially after grill, roast, or air fry modes. Step 2. If it's still on after 30 minutes, make sure the oven has space to vent, at least 4 inches behind and above. Check that nothing is blocking the back or top vents, and flip the oven down into cooking position to improve airflow. If grease or crumbs are built up inside, heat can linger. Wipe the interior and vents once the oven is fully cool. I've linked the soft, heat-safe cleaning cloth I use below. It won't scratch the interior or vent covers. Step 3. If it shows hot when cold, unplug the oven for 60 seconds, then plug it back into a grounded wall outlet. If the symbol comes back immediately while cold, the temp sensor may be misreading. You can try running the oven empty for 5 minutes at a low setting to reset the reading, but if it still shows hot when cool, contact Ninja Support using the link in the description. If this helped you understand and fix the hot symbol issue, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you need a cloth that's safe for cleaning vents and the inside of your oven without scratching, I've linked the one I use below. Thanks for watching, and don't flip until the heat dips.